How to convert crypto to fiat on Binance. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can convert crypto to fiat on Binance. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So to convert crypto to fiat on Binance, first locate your Binance app and then open it up. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you logged in into your account, go to the convert page or feature. To go to convert page, tap on the trade option on the middle bottom. Then you'll find the convert option. Now right here what you'll need to do is select the crypto asset you want to sell and the fiat currency you want to receive. So from here, tap on the from option. So you can choose what you want to convert. To select your option, what you'll then need to do is choose a fiat currency. Tap on this and find the currency that you want to change it into. So let's say that I'll choose the euro option, and now type in the amount that you want. Then you will find the euro right here. Tap on the preview option. And now what you can do is then increase your if it does not meet the criteria. And now what you'll need to do is just sell it. After you do that, you will then need to get a live quota and confirm your trade before the timer expires. Then you will have your fiat available and converted your crypto to fiat. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.